How to delete cloud saved game progress or files in your Steam. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete the cloud saved in your Steam. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the Steam option and from here choose settings. Now within the settings, you can see a different number of options. So from this particular option, you need to choose this option that is cloud. So within the cloud, you can see enable Steam Cloud. Simply disable this. So once the Steam Cloud is disabled, go to that particular game of which you want to uh, delete the files. So let's say Red Dead Redemption 2. And from here, I'm going to click onto this manage option, and from here you can see browse local files. So click here, and from here you will see an ini file which will sound something like save game. So you can try finding it here. So if you see any save games dot ini, then you can simply delete it, and as you can see I don't have that particular file right here. So what I'm going to do is, after deleting that particular file, I will be simply restarting my computer system, or maybe remove the Steam from the process manager. So I can do that by pressing the Control Shift and Escape key. This will open my task manager, and from here I can simply type in the process name, that is Steam, and from here I will be closing all of these three processes, and once that I can restart it and my cloud file will be gone. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.